Kawasaki Z400 Best First Motorcycle for Beginners. The world of motorcycling offers a gateway to adventure, freedom, and an intimate connection with the open road. For those new to this exhilarating realm, the choice of their first motorcycle is pivotal. The Kawasaki Z400, with its blend of accessible power, aggressive aesthetics, and beginner-friendly characteristics, stands out as an exceptional choice for novice riders. With its balanced performance, striking design, and rider-focused features, the Z400 offers an ideal platform for beginners to delve into the world of sport riding and embark on a journey of skill development, excitement, and exploration. Balanced performance and approachable power. The heart of the Kawasaki Z400 beats with a refined 399cc parallel twin engine that delivers a harmonious blend of power and manageability. This engine's smooth performance allows beginners to experience the thrill of riding with confidence, making it an ideal choice for those new to motorcycling. Aggressive design and striking aesthetics. The Z400 boasts an aggressive and bold design that captures the essence of Kawasaki's sport heritage. Its sharp lines, muscular form, and dynamic styling elements embody the sporty aesthetics that ignite the passion of sport riding enthusiasts. Novice riders not only experience the excitement of riding but also embrace the spirited nature that defines the Z400. Comfortable ergonomics and rider-centric design. Thoughtfully designed for comfort, the Z400 offers an ergonomic riding position that ensures rider comfort during both short and long rides. The slightly lean-forward posture, well-positioned handlebars, and foot pegs contribute to a rider-centric setup that enhances the overall experience. Agile handling and nimble maneuverability. The Kawasaki Z400 is known for its agility and rider-friendly handling, making it an ideal choice for beginners. Its lightweight chassis and responsive characteristics empower riders to confidently navigate tight corners, city streets, and varying road conditions. Safety features and learning support. Safety is a priority, especially for novice riders. The Z400 is equipped with features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, enhancing braking control and stability. These features instill confidence in beginners as they learn to master the motorcycle's sporty performance. Urban commuting and spirited rides. The Z400's versatility extends beyond spirited rides on open roads. Beginners can effortlessly transition between city commutes and embracing the thrill of sport riding, all while enjoying the motorcycle's dynamic and exhilarating performance. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Kawasaki brand create a welcoming community that embraces beginners. Joining this community offers novices access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for sport riding and the Z400's performance-oriented attributes. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Kawasaki Z400 encourages skill development as beginners build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the exhilarating world of sport riding. Long-term riding satisfaction. The Kawasaki Z400 isn't just a starting point, it's a companion for the rider's journey ahead. Its sporty performance, bold design, and brand reputation ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the Z400 as they evolve from novice riders to experienced sport enthusiasts. Conclusion. The Kawasaki Z400 epitomizes Kawasaki's dedication to delivering an accessible and spirited introduction to the world of motorcycling for beginners. With its balanced performance, aggressive design, and commitment to rider comfort and safety, the Z400 provides an immersive gateway to the excitement of sport riding. By choosing a Kawasaki Z400, novice riders embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for speed, agility, and the exhilaration of conquering the open road on two wheels.